Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So here I'm coming up with a small tutorial on modeling plants and trees in 3DsMax. So there are many ways to create this. Either you can model it, you can use alpha maps. Also there are some ready-made presets which I'll be showing you over here. So let's go with some ready-made presets over here. So let's take a plane, go into this, AEC extended. So go into AEC extended over here, and into that you have foliages. So different foliages. So let's take an example of a banyan tree. You can just take a banyan tree, go into modify, and you can see its parameters. That's height. You can decrease the density of this, pruning, seeds, variations. If you don't want that trunk, if you don't want the leaves, you don't want the branches, you can just on and off this. After that you have canopy mode. If you want that it should be selected always, never, you can activate this options over here. So viewport canopy mode, if you keep it as, if you click it out and if you see, it will look in this way. So if you keep it always, then even if you don't click it, it will stay in the same way. And if you keep it never, if you click out, so canopy mode will not be seen over here in that way. So these are the details: low, high, medium. Whatever details you want to generate, you can generate these details. So let's again go into the foliage. You have generic palm. So let's go into this, reduce its height, density, pruning, seeds. The same way, the leaves, the trunk, the branches, the roots, you can on and off the stuff over here, and you can see. The same way you have canopy. Let's keep it as never, and you can just render and see. If you want to render and see, you can render and see how it looks like. The same way, your level of details, you can on and off. So let's again go into the foliage. Then you have Scotch pine, reduce the height, seeds, density, leaves, trunk, the same, all the details, trunk, roots. So if you don't need leaves, you can just off it. See, it will look in this way. You can convert to poly and you can change the colors also. Low, hand, medium, high. You can set up the details accordingly. So we can check out different plants, the foliages. So there's a different one: height, density, seeds, the canopy mode, low, medium, high, as you can select that as you want. So different styles of foliages, density, seeds, variations, leaves. Alright, so now again go into this. You have a different kind of a tree. Reduce the height, the density, pruning, seeds, leaves, trunk, branches. The same way, medium, low, high. The details you can set it accordingly as you want. That can be adjusted over here. Then you have the small foliages, height, density, seeds, trunk, leaves. So you don't have fruits and all this stuff on this, so it won't get changed. Always, never. So you can set those settings as you require. So density, I have increased it. So now if you want to create your own, so I'll just take a cylinder. I can just take a cone also, not a problem. So convert to editable poly. I'll select this. I'll slightly scale it. Select this polygons. Slightly insert it and bevel it a bit inside. So I'll go into this and I'll take a line over here. Let's click OK. Enable in viewport, activate this, reduce its size, and after that I'll just take a plane over here. I'll reduce the length and width segments. I'll go into the material. I'll go into diffuse and I have a texture. So now what we are doing is we are using alpha map for creating a plant. So I'll just go into this. I'll just take this one. That's your one part. Assign it. Alright. Go back and you have an opacity panel. Go into opacity, bitmap, and let's take alpha. So I'll just switch this. So as you can see, if you look at it, let's go. It's over here. After that, what I can do, I can just slightly increase its segments if required, and I'll give a bend modifier. I can slightly bend it, or else I'll go into hierarchy, affect pivot point over here, and I can go into this and I can just bend it. So you can go into this gizmo band and I can just shuffle this over here and I can bend this now. So once you have created this, I'll just convert to editable poly. I can go over here, I'll select this, I'll increase its thickness, slightly I'll rotate it, and I'll just place it over here for the plant area. So you can rotate it. You can again select this, mirror it, copy this in y-axis in this way, shuffle it down, again mirror it in x-axis both, push this up, push it up. So again I'll duplicate this. So again I'll copy this once again. You can reduce the size. So again mirror it, y-axis, duplicate that, make a copy, So just giving an example over here. In this way you can model such foliages. You can change the directions also as you require. So again I'll mirror it. Copy next axis. I'll slightly rotate it. So just select this stuff and push it in this way. So I'll slightly rotate it and I'll shuffle it in this way. So duplicate it. So again I can just slightly duplicate that. Oops, I done a mistake. So this part is going to go inside. So I'll just shuffle this over here. So this part, select this. So like this. So it's going to be like this. Yes, you can put it in this way. So whatever ways you want, you can just put it, not a problem. So you can just shuffle it, shuffle this up in this way, in different ways. So just duplicate it again and push it over here. So as you can see, I have also generated this plant using alpha map. So you can use such alpha maps over here in this way. Alright. So as you can see, we have created. So you can create multiple plants like this with multiple alpha maps. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So we have gone through foliages, which are your presets over here for trees and plants, and we have also created using a alpha map into the materials. So you can just check out this stuff. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching this tutorial.